Yucky's looking at me.
Yes, he thought that you're a bone.
I'm not a bone.
Okay, you're a treat then.
I'm not a treat again.
So you're a fish then, right, Yoki? She's a
not-
fish, right? Yay!
I'm not a fish.
So what are you?
I'm just a human.
Human what?
I'm just a longer human.
Longer.
A little human.
Longer.
I said I'm a longer human.
What longer? What does it mean?
A little human. You're a little.
I'm not. I'm just.
Say again.
Give Yoki heart. We need to go. Say bye-bye, Yoki. I see.
See you, cousin. You pull my ear. Come on, Yoki, stop it. That's hurt.
Stop it.
Yoki, can you move away, please?
Okay, give Tante Lucy heart. We need to go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you know.
She's mad, just like always.
It's not nice. You say you're growing up. Don't open the door. Yoki gonna run away. You nice girl? Come on, give Tante Lucy hug. Say happy birthday again.
Happy birthday!
Love you.
I said let go.
Yoki, stop. Let go of her. Come on, Yoki. Let go of her.
Okay, bye-bye.
Let go.
Come on, Yoki, let her go. She wanna go home.
Let go.
Yeah, Yoki, let you go.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.